So good morning guys, meron tayong another Fortuner right here. Yung client natin is naka Tain 4x4 Dumper Sports and previously naka BF Goodrich KO3 siya na 10 ply. So medyo hindi pa satisfied si client sa riding comfort ng gulong. Suspension okay na siya, yung gulong na lang. So what we have right here is nag-upgrade tayo ng Falken 84 Wild Peak. So i-adjust natin yung comfort sa gusto ni sir. So, if I'm not wrong, yung ply rating ito is 8 ply. Some Falken na tires natin ay hindi na siya made in Thailand. Ngayon, mostly made in Japan na po. Ayan. So, they are manufactured by Sumitomo Rubber Industry, which is the same manufacturing as Dunlop. Ayan. So anyhow, guys, this is in 8 ply na Falken. We're gonna adjust the suspension for the riding comfort of this tire. So we're gonna have a test drive right now. So guys, pina-check ko yung hangin ni sir. Medyo malaki for my own preference. Kasi usually for this type or this size of tires, andun na lang kami sa mga 32-30 PSI yung hangin namin. So ngayon, ilan nga siya, Eden? 37 yung harap, 36 yung likod. So for us, masyadong mataas pa, kaya para may lagapok pa sa gulong kaming nafe-feel. So maghanap lang kami dyan ng free na parking space, and then we'll try to adjust the tires first, and then doon na kami magkalikot sa tuning ng suspension afterwards. So guys, kaka-change na natin ng tire pressure. So from 36 and 37, we've changed it into 32 and 30, and so far maganda po improvements sa riding comfort, and then click lang kami ng another 1 click sa rebound para kung sa gustong comfort ni client, kasi mas gusto niya na mas softer yung riding feels ng suspension niya. So far we got that. Malaking difference talaga yung improper na tire pressure sa riding comfort ng sasakyan. So kahit anong upgrade pa ng suspension nyo, kung hindi match rin yung tires na kinakabit nyo, at the same time yung tire pressure, there will be a huge difference between the riding comfort sa tama at sa maling setup ng tires, gulong, tires, PSI, at suspension. So those things need to be considered. Hindi porket nagpalit ka lang ng comfort suspension, nagpalit ka lang ng comfort tires, okay na yon. There's a lot of things to be considered: PSI, suspension tuning, everything. So those things must be kept in mind na dapat tama, so that you can get the best out of your build sa unit nyo. So see you guys sa shop kung may mga gusto kayong inquiry, may mga advices kayo na gusto makuha, or gusto nyo pa-check yung sasakyan nyo, should consider going to DC Auto Works to get that best tuning and then guidelines, advices sa mga units nyo to have the best out of your car. So see you guys sa DC Auto Works.